How to buy Labubu in Popmart in time. Securing a Labubu figure from Popmart can be challenging due to their immense popularity and rapid sellouts. To improve your chances of purchasing one in time, consider the following strategies. The first one is to monitor restock times. Popmart frequently restocks its online inventory often around 7 p.m. Pacific time. However, restock times can vary. So it is recommended to check the website regularly and stay updated through official channels. Next thing you want to do is utilize the Popmart app. The Popmart mobile app often provides smoother and faster shopping experience compared to the website. It's recommended to log in a few minutes before the anticipated restock time and be prepared to refresh the page promptly. Next thing you want to do is engage with the Pop Now feature. The Pop Now feature allows users to browse and purchase available items in real time. Instead of waiting for a specific item to restock, continuously scroll through different sets to spot available Labubu figures. This method increases your chances of finding an unreserved box. Beyond Popmart's official channels, you can also consider checking their official storefronts on platforms like Amazon and AliExpress. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.